Hello. Mm, welcome to all. So, how are you guys? I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to start new topic with like economy. So in economy, we are going to start like financial markets. So what is mean by financial markets? और जो वित्तीय जो मार्केट रहता है मीन जहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल मार्केट इज रेफर्ड एज वेयर देर इज अ ट्रेडिंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज़ जो सिक्योरिटीज़ और वी से दैट लाइक बॉन्ड ऑल दिस ना जहाँ पे वो ट्रेडिंग होती है तो उसे फाइनेंशियल मार्केट कहते हैं. और फाइनेंशियल मार्केट कैसे रहता है? दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप. वन लाइक मनी मार्केट और सेकंड इज कैपिटल मार्केट. Money market, if they are of less than 1 year, or if they are more than 1 year, then it is called as a capital market. um, Today we are going to cover money market, tomorrow we will cover the capital market. So both financial market and both that financial market includes like money market, capital market, further divided into various, like in money market there are call money, notice money, certificate of deposits, commercial papers, and bill market. Bill market include like commercial bills and treasury bills. And in capital market there are government securities, then industrial securities. It includes shares, debenture, development financial institutions, merchant banks are there, mutual funds are there, venture capitals are there, angel tax, or all these are covered under the capital market for a period of more than 1 year. So let's begin with the now. First we will start with the money market. So in that money market there is a call money. Call money means it's trading between like banks. If there is less than of 1 day, then it is called as money, call money. But if it is more than 1 day but less than 14 days, then it is called as a notice money. And there is no need to any collateral, so it is just based on the trust. And the interest rate, it is decided as per the market, whatever the that market rate na, it is according to that trading takes place. So second is like interbank term money. So if deposit, it was like up to 14 days. If it is more than 14 days to up to 3 months, then it is called as a interbank term money. So it is also type of money market. Then there is cash management bills. It was like same like character like of treasury bills. We are going to see later on like what is treasury bill. So before that, just remember like it is like same like a treasury bill, but they have maturity of less than 91 days, and treasury have maturity of more than 91 days. And they are issued at a discount price. Means like if the bond price is like 100 rupees na, they are issued at 98 rupees. And once that maturity is over na, so they are redeemed. Means like who have borrowed them na, they will get 100 rupees, means like 2 rupees benefit. Then treasury bills. Now treasury bills also short term up to 1 year, and they help in managing the liquidity in market. Like many times RBI na, they use treasury bills all these to absorb the money from market or push the money in market. So there are three types of treasury bills. One is like 91 days, second in 182 days, and third is like 364 days, like that. So here one important thing we should remember, that state government can't issue the treasury bills. There can be MCQ. Remember, only central government can issue the treasury bills, and minimum amount should be like 25,000 or multiple of the 25,000. They are issued at a discount rate. I told you like what is discount rate. Like they are, if the price is 100 rupees na, they are issued as 98 rupees. So those who have bought them na, they will get 2 rupees after the maturity period is over. And they are issued under the market stabilization scheme. Just I told you like RBI uses them for the stabilizing, to decrease money supply or increase money supply. They are available in both primary market and secondary market. So primary market means like we can directly brought from the like institution. Like if RBI issued, the people can directly buy from that. Or secondary market means like people can buy themselves, means on stock exchange they can also buy them. Then there is like uh, they as they are like treasury bills na, they are like zero coupon securities, so they pay no interest rate. So because they are issued at discount rate na in 90 rupees. If price is original price 100 rupees, they are issued at 90 rupees. So when the whoever the borrower na, he will get, or whoever bought them na, he will get 2% like that. So there is no interest rate. Now third one is like certificate of deposits. So they are issued by the scheduled commercial banks or the financial institution. And important thing here we should remember, it's MCQ, that regional rural bank and local area bank na, they can't issue the certificate of deposits. Remember, regional rural bank and local area bank can't issue the certificate of deposit. They are issued only by the scheduled commercial bank or the financial institution. Then they are negotiable promissory note and they are secure. Then they are also issued as a discount to the face value. I told you earlier, discount to face value like 90, 100, remember that only. And maturity period, they are for, they have different maturity. For banks na, they have maturity from 15 days to 1 year, and those who are financial institution na, they have, other financial institution, they have maturity of 1 year to 3 years. And minimum amount, that at least there should be 1 lakh rupee or multiple of 1 lakh rupees. Then they are issued to them. Remember, they can be issued to the individuals, corporation, or the companies who can buy the, anyone can buy the certificate of deposits. Then intercorporate deposit market means it is taking place between the one corporate to other, and they are, remember, they are unsecured. Not like this is we have seen that certificate deposit na, it's a secure market. Then commercial papers. So they are also short-term unsecured promissory notes. Remember, they are also unsecured and they are promissory note. They are issued by the corporate or financial institution. Maturity is of like 7 days to 1 year. Up to, remember, all these are money market. That's why all have maturity less than 1 year. And issuing the denomination, they should be at least, minimum price should be 5 lakh or multiple of the 5 lakh. Now we will see some features of commercial market, commercial paper. Remember one thing, that commercial, that corporate na, they have to be tangible net asset, net worth not less than the 4 crore. Means if they have worth of asset less than 4 crore na, they can't issue the commercial paper. Second, these commercial papers na, they require credit rating, and it should be issued by the credit rating agencies. Means like those who are borrower na, they should get trusted. Means they should not be fraud or anything. They, or those consumer na, they will get choice who is better, who is like performing good, like that on the basis of their credit rating agencies. Then there is a minimum amount, it is also 5 lakh or multiple of 5 lakh. Then commercial papers na, they are issued at a discount to the face value. I told you earlier, like 90 and 100. Remember, like you will get idea what is meant by discount to face value. Then there is some money market reform also there, which started after the Sukhmoy Chakravarti committee in 1985 and Narasimha committee report 1991. So they had suggested some reforms. After that, RBI brought some reforms in money markets. First one is the deregulation of the interest rate. Earlier interest rate were like decided by RBI. Now they were like market oriented. Then they established the Discount and Finance House in India, then 1988, jointly by RBI and public sector bank and financial institution. Then there is also brought the liquid adjustment facility. Then establishment of the Clearing Corporation of India Limited in 2002. Then money stabilization scheme, market stabilization scheme since 2004. Or it was also useful in 2060 also in post demonetization. So we have completed our the topic that today. That is the money market. So tomorrow we will cover this capital market. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends also. Thank you so much.